After 43 years in the legal profession, it's now official. Justice Olukayode Ariwoola has retired as the 22nd Chief Justice of Nigeria upon the attainment of 70 years. At the valedictory session held at the Supreme Court in his honor, Justice Ariwoola noted that it's anti-ethical to the concept of justice when litigants are made to wait for years in order to have their case determined. Celestina Area reports.
Born on 22nd August 1954, Justice Ariwoola was on 22nd November 2011 elevated to the bench of the Supreme Court. He was appointed Substantive Chief Justice of Nigeria on 27 June 2022. His appointment as CJN followed the resignation of Justice Tanko Mohammed. Justice Ariwoola was formally confirmed Chief Justice of Nigeria by the Nigerian Senate on 21 September 2022. Justice Kudirat Kekereekun will succeed Justice Ariwoola.
Conviction that the right to fair hearing enshrined in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria could only be meaningful when litigants have enough judges and justices to hear their cases. Justice is not a scarce commodity to be queued for. Justice without delay is inherent, natural, and constitutional.
Speaking on the contribution of Justice Ariwoola to the judiciary and the nation at large, the Attorney General of the Federation commended Justice Ariwoola for the decisions taken by the court, which has helped in keeping the economy's democracy intact.
Constitutional democracy and governance has laid out its peculiar features and attributes. I must restate that elective and legitimate governments entrusted with mandates of the people can only be changed constitutionally and legally by the electorate at the end of its term of office as prescribed by our law and the Constitution, which is the ground. The Constitution, which is the ground.
Olukayode Ariwoola for attaining the age of 70. Not only that, concluding his career on the bench gloriously.
Stood at the edge of the door about to exit. The long sought for and awaited improvement on the remuneration of judicial officers in Nigeria became a reality with the signing into law of the Judicial Office Holders' Salaries and Allowances etc. Act 2024.
It was under the leadership of Justice Ariwoola that the Supreme Court for the first time had its full complement of 21 justices. He also ensured that justices had their assistants to help them with research and documentation. He made sure the 39-year-old Supreme Court rule was revised. It was also under his leadership that 2 landmark judgments were delivered in respect to local government autonomy and also the NAMA redesign policy. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.